It's a dark day here in the train room. That's out of order. That's out of order. The whole frickin' board's out of order. But there's a reason for it. What's great when you're doing the layout, I don't know if I'd call it great, but you keep coming up with ideas and what can make it better, or you see somebody else's scene and you want to incorporate that onto yours. Well, we seen a layout today, well actually yesterday, and we thought that would be really cool because we got the 3x6 over here. Okay, Joe. There it is. Death and destruction. Okay. So what we're going to do, especially to maximize the room, not saying it's a huge room, but if it was a bedroom, it'd be comfy cozy. It's no longer a bedroom, it's a train room. Ain't that right, Joe? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Okay. So the word for today will be demolition. You like how I did that? Demolition. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. So what we're going to do is, this is a 4x8 that we got for $8. Why'd we get this board for $8, Joe?
Because we're on a budget.
But, you know, with this board, yeah, we could have got our yards, but me and Joe really like yards for our trains. So we're going to turn this board up onto this wall. We're going to go down to 3.5 by 7, and then we're going to go down that wall by what, 3.5?
Something like that.
And we figured we can do our layout. The layout that we saw today was on Trains for Novelists, I believe it was.
Mm-hmm. YouTube group.
Yeah. And,
or Facebook group.
Yeah, really good layout. I really liked it. We'll have to show you a picture of it. But we figured we should be able to hold anywhere from 6 to 9 yards. That'll be awesome. But good storage for the cars. You don't have to worry about them laying around or anything. Yeah, there's the shelf that nobody wanted to see. But this will be the last movement. We'll even actually have more room to work. Joe could be working down there. I know you guys don't see Joe in front of the camera. Why is that, Joe?
I'm the cameraman.
You're the cameraman?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, you can't be shy.
Nah, I'm just the cameraman.
But Joe does do a lot behind the scenes. Actually, you know, with the mining scene, he's done a lot with me. So I'm not the only one building it, just so you guys know. A lot of these ideas were Joe's idea. The pond, the mountain, outside of steam engines. Joe loves mountains. So if you got any mountains out there, Joe's birthday was what, 2 weeks ago?
Yep. None of the tin, plastic, or shitty ones.
Yeah. Send him a steam engine on a mountain. But I think it's going to be a lot cooler. And it ain't going to take that long to do. Right now it's Sunday at, what is it, 5:30, 6 o'clock? We'll give it to that. So we're going to take this outside, give it a buzz, get it into dimension, get the 2x4s. No, we're not going back into the 2x4s. No. Hey, I appreciate all your likes, subscriptions. What else do we like?
Comments.
Comments. You guys have no comments out there? Come on. I don't care what it says. Uncle Albert was, his name isn't Uncle Albert.
Enor.
Who?
Enor.
Enor? Wasn't that in with Pooh and Family?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Or was that Eeyore?
Close enough.
Well, I'll tell you what. We're just going to call him Uncle Albert. Admiral Halsley. But, more comments the better. You guys got any ideas? Throw them out there. And let's have fun with this. Alright? Well, that'll be the first video of today. I'm sure there'll be one after we get it all up and ready. An hour from now. Like I said, you don't need perfect wood. There's a leg. 2 pieces of 2x4 scammed into one. As long as the height's right, don't care. But plus nobody's gonna see it. Plus these damn things won't stand up here. Ciao. Okay.
Yep.
That was actually like what, a million miles an hour? We just slowed it down?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
But okay. It's 2-3 hours later.
Yeah, 9:15.
Yeah, we'll call it 3 hours. And look what we came up with. We actually gained what did we say, 10 square?
Mm-hmm.
So that ain't looking too bad. Whole lot better to work on. Didn't think this room had that much room. But we're going to have 2 circles over here. One going one way, one going the other way. And then we're thinking this is going to be our yards. Well, we're not thinking, we're doing.
Yep.
But going to be able to fit a lot of yards in there, a lot of storage for the trains, which is always a good thing. Other than that, didn't suffer too much. Just that everything is in CF mode at this point. But I think we did one hell of a job.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Alright, other than that, I know I've been doing a lot of shout outs to everybody. But, you know, if you're hidden, I can't tell who's out there. Especially when you subscribe. Especially when you don't comment. But, hey, I appreciate everybody watching. We're getting a lot of views. Really appreciate it. How about you, Joe?
I gotta give a shout out to Antonio.
Antonio?
Yeah, the guy at work.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Antonio, thanks for watching.
Make sure you call me when you actually see this video.
But just appreciate everybody jumping on board with us. Makes it all worthwhile. David was supposed to show up tonight, but he's MIA.
Unsociable.
Unsociable. I'm sure Heather put him to work.
Probably.
But we'll get him out here next time. Other than that, everything looks sweet. Sunday night, tomorrow's work. It's about, what'd you say, 9:15?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we'll edit this one up, and then it's bedtime. All right, people.